Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Today I have a recipe for you. I know it's been like months. It's literally been maybe like 5 or 6 months since I posted a recipe video. So I'm excited to share this one with you. This one comes to you by request. Today we are making Avgolemono. If you are unfamiliar with Avgolemono, it is considered a Greek dish, but really it comes from Jewish origins. It comes from a dish called agrisada. Agrisada is also known by these other names. And it is a Jewish dish. It's also seen in like Arabic countries, in Turkey. What agrisada is like a lemon and egg sauce. It's very similar to the Avgolemono, but it's more of a sauce, and it's used on things like dolmas and meats and vegetables and stuff like that in that part of the world. But Avgolemono is basically the soup version of this, and what Avgolemono literally translates to is like egg and lemon soup. Avgo is egg, lemano is lemon. So this dish is a great way to use up leftovers. You can use like those grocery store rotisserie chickens for your chicken, or you can just use any leftover chicken that you have laying around, because you're gonna start with 2 cups of cooked, chopped up, or shredded chicken in any way. You're also going to need to start with 2 cups of cooked rice. This is again a great way to use up any leftover rice from your Chinese takeout, or if you have any just leftover from dinner. This dish is a great way to use leftovers, which makes this a super inexpensive dish because you probably already have most things laying around the house. It only uses a few ingredients and it's healthy for you. So this is an awesome dish to put together. It's quick to make. If you guys are ready, let me give you the recipe. And don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. If you're not already, check out my grocery hauls and shop with me's on my page. Okay, let's get cooking. That is it, guys. It is that simple. This dish is delicious. It is easy to make, it is healthy and inexpensive. Guys, I feel like it took me longer to record this intro and outro than it did the whole rest of the video. I'm telling you, give this dish a try and I think you're gonna like it. Please make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out and it also lets me know what kind of content you guys like to watch. And don't forget to check out my grocery hauls and shop with me's. And I also have some other tasty recipes for you on my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Okay, I love you.